Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a cool Python module that can make your life easier when working with arrays. Specifically, when you need to maintain a sorted order or perform binary search operations. Python has many built-in modules, and one of them is Bisect. This module is fantastic for handling operations like finding the insertion point for an integer in a sorted list without breaking the order. Let's take a look at how it works. Import Bisect. #initialize a sorted list. #use bisect left to find the position where 5 should be inserted. #use bisect right to find the position where 5 should be inserted.
In this example, we have a sorted list, and we want to find where the number 5 should be inserted. Bisect_left and bisect_right help us figure out exactly where to place it. #insert 5 into the list using insort_left. Insert 6 into the list using insort_right. Not only can bisect help you find where to insert an element, but it can also directly insert it while maintaining the sorted order using insort_left or insort_right. Given list with mixed elements, including a nested list. Target value to insert. Use bisect_left with low and high parameters to search within the specific range. Find the insertion point. You can even use bisect to search within a specific subset of a list using the low and high parameters. This is handy when you're dealing with more complex lists. And that's it. Bisect is a powerful tool in Python for maintaining order in your lists and efficiently searching them. For more details, you can always check out the Python official documentation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos and comment below next topic.